Health benefits of celery juice. In today's video, we will look at the amazing health benefits of celery juice and how you can add it to your diet. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. There are more health videos linked in the description, just check them and it will give you a lot of information about your health and well-being. Celery juice. Celery juice has recently become the newest trend in healthy living. From social media models touting the drink as a great way to lose weight to health articles claiming it to be a cure-all, celery juice has suddenly become a celebrity in its own right. The question is this stalky vegetable really worth all the hype? The short answer is yes. While celery juice may not be the cure-all some may claim, it is packed with a multitude of health benefits. Before embarking on the celery juice trend, it is best to separate the true benefits from all the hype. Source of powerful antioxidants. Antioxidants are chemicals that reduce the damage caused by molecules associated with the aging process called free radicals. Eating foods rich in antioxidants can help increase heart health, reduce the signs of aging in the skin, lower the risk for infections, as well as certain types of cancer. Individuals looking to increase their intake of antioxidant-rich foods need to look no further than celery juice. Celery juice is an excellent source of powerful antioxidants, including vitamin C, beta-carotene, and flavonoids. Simply drinking 16 to 24 ounces of celery juice per day can help the body fight and balance free radicals and maintain optimal health. Reduce blood sugar. Consuming celery juice has also been proven to reduce blood sugar. Individuals who have trouble maintaining their blood sugar, such as diabetes patients, are often told to stay away from foods with carbohydrates because they cause their blood sugar to spike. Celery juice does contain carbohydrates, but the carbohydrates found within celery actually reduce blood sugar instead of increasing them. In fact, half the carbohydrate content in celery juice comes from fiber rather than sugar, making it an excellent drink choice for those who must be conscious of their blood sugar. Drinking one 16-ounce glass of celery juice per day can help keep an individual's blood sugar at optimal levels. Alleviate high blood pressure. Celery juice has a chemical component that helps alleviate high blood pressure called phthalides, also known as 3N-butyl phthalide, 3NB. This powerful little chemical increases blood flow, resulting in reduced blood pressure by relaxing the walls of the arteries. Celery is also very low in salt and high in fiber, potassium, and magnesium. These things combined make celery juice a great addition to anyone seeking to lower their blood pressure. It is recommended that individuals with mild cases of high blood pressure drink the equivalent of 2 stalks of celery per day to achieve successful blood pressure reduction. Promotes healthy skin. Research currently indicates celery juice also promotes skin health. Because celery juice is comprised of 95% water, it is a great source of hydration for the skin. Celery juice also helps the body process foods more efficiently by raising stomach acid. What does stomach acid have to do with healthy skin? The increased acid in the stomach results in a reduction of stress, leading to fewer breakouts and skin ailments related to stress. Individuals interested in reaping the healthy skin benefits of celery juice are encouraged to drink 16 ounces in the morning on an empty stomach. Contains electrolytes. Individuals with decreased electrolytes may find themselves feeling sluggish, experiencing increased muscle cramps, or overall malaise. Drinking celery juice is a great way to give the body a boost as it contains electrolytes. Electrolytes are tiny particles in body fluids charged with electricity and are responsible for aiding in muscle contractions and release of impulses of the nerves. When electrolytes are depleted, either through illness or increased physical activity, celery juice is a great way to augment the body's electrolyte count and rehydrate the muscles and cells. Individuals with electrolyte depletion can begin drinking celery juice as soon as they finish a high-intensity workout. High cholesterol. A 2014 study investigated the effects of celery leaf extract on the cholesterol levels of rats fed a high-fat diet. The researchers fed rats celery leaf extract for 30 days, after which the animals showed a significant decrease in low-density lipoprotein (LDL), or bad cholesterol when the study compared them with rats that did not receive the extract. A later study, again using animal models, suggested that the antioxidants in celery may be responsible for lowering cholesterol levels by preventing stores of cholesterol from breaking down and entering the blood.